Come on, Ethan. Me and Ethan gonna attempt to solve in the Rubik cube. So, Ethan, ready? You ready? You want to do this? You want to solve this? Okay, sit down. Here, sit down. Here, sit down right here. Daddy gonna give this to you. And then you're gonna show me. But he a little shy, so we're gonna cover him up. And I'm gonna give this to you, okay? Hold on, let me put the camera here. Why don't we do this? Give me your hand. Give me your hand. All right. Here, hold it. Real quick, let's see if we can solve it. What you got? Where the Rubik cube at? Wow. You solved it?